Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 52 and 22, and it's the month of January, so it was ATCs, and we had to do 4 ATCs a week. Each week was a different theme. This week is steampunk, so let's share, because I love steampunk. This is the one I actually chose. Well, we each kind of discussed, and we each kind of come up with one we equally choose for a week, and then we get to pick one ourselves. And here we go. So, on the back, I used vintage photo, black soot, walnut, and gathered twigs of distress oxides to emboss. I embossed the back, and then I used all those on that back. And this is the front. You can kind of see the background through it. And it's just an image I got off Google. It's steampunk images. And I painted these wood pieces. And then added these little metal gears and some little metal, I don't know what you want to call them. These little things. They're the thing that you hold the keychain with. So that's that one. Come on, focus camera. There we go. And then the next one is this guy. Same thing, it's embossed, a little darker. Each one's a little shade different. And I got this image off Google again. I just put a little image I had and some paper. This type of paper. I grunged it up. I have a metal necklace here I broke up. I got some gears here, a little metal there, a key, a light bulb, a gear, a little ball, metal balls, that's what we use them, call it, and then a key, and that's that one. And then my Mona Lisa, see? Oh yeah, that's supposed to be there. Okay. Got the background. You got a clock with a screw, and then some chain, and an old nail. This is a very old nail. Metal piece down here with a little nut. Got some metal little balls right here. A gear, a wing coming off her shoulder. Some necklaces there, chain. I use a lot of broken necklaces. Another gear, and that's the Mona Lisa. Steampunked up. This one, again, looks like that. And you really see the background on this one. I have the image, and I got some necklace pieces, some metal pieces, little balls. And then I had this piece, and it was, you can see through it. See, it's on the other side. And I don't even know what's it for, where it came from, but I thought it was cool. So I put it through his hat. And I took that keychain thing I was telling you about, see, one of these, and I put it through it, and I have some gears just hanging off of it. That's what those little balls that you see I've been using, that's where they come off. I have a lot of chain like this, and I just have it there. Another necklace piece, and I have a key, and then I have a gear on it, and then I have the metal piece, and that's that one. And it kind of just dangles. Like that. And then are my 4 ATC cards for this week. I like how these turned out. I'm going to put you guys lower so you can kind of see them better. There we go. And that's what they look like. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're liking this hashtag 52 and 22. Anybody can join. And, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody. Bye!